Make a great choice today with the 2020 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.